In this function definition, we have the variable called b. The variable b is the parameter and the value passed to the b is the argument. Here b is a variable. In this variable used in the function definition, it is called as parameter. If you pass the value to that b, is called as argument. In this function definition, they are already given two conditions. What is the condition? Requires, returns. Require is called as precondition and return is called as post condition. But we know here they are not mentioned any type, that is data type. But some language compiler need the data type. Some language compiler solve this problem algorithmically. So, some language compiler need the data type. Some language compiler solve this type of data, that is this data type problem algorithmically. So, in this function definition, if the expression, that is they are given the condition no b equal to 0, so it return the value 1. It return the value 1. So it can use the, we are passing the two parameters, that is now here is the function definition. In this function definition we have the expression, it can return the value 1 using the typing rule. So if the entire expression, that is the data type is int. So if expression has type int, so the function's return type also must be an int. So b is compared to 0 with the equality operator. So b must be a type of integer. So a is multiplied with another expression using the asterisk operator. So a must be an integer type. So here we use two parameters by default, integer type. By using the inference of the language compiler, so this is the parameter without type. I hope you all understood the concepts of parameter without type. So we can continue the parameter with type for the next class.